Hey you guys, Gina here and welcome back to my channel. First off, I know I look like a train wreck. I got off of a flight today. It was a very tiring trip to Florida. I was only there for like 3 days and it was very exhausting. But I still needed to, get home and get back to work, which I was really excited to do. So today we have some Memorial Day inspiration for you guys for your Memorial Day parties, as well as your Memorial Day get-togethers or whatever you do, your cookouts. So we have some recipe ideas, and when I say we, a few of us got together here on YouTube to bring you guys some inspiration here. There's a playlist link below with everyone included, so make sure you go and check out everyone's channels, everyone's videos. Everyone is super sweet, and we all bring something a little different to the table. So I'm just going to go ahead and hop into it, and I wanted to go ahead and do a spin on how you can accommodate everyone's dietary restrictions. So nowadays everyone has a different type of way they're eating. Maybe they're gluten-free, maybe they're dairy-free, maybe they're vegan, maybe they're low carb, maybe they just don't care. So I'm going to give you guys an idea of what you can do if you have a big amount of people coming, to where you can have a wide variety of options without having to work too hard. So let's just go ahead and hop into it. What I like to do when it comes to feeding a group of people, especially for a holiday like Memorial Day, I will go ahead and pick a staple meat. So this is just some ground turkey, and then I will go ahead and have some sort of options for people to pick what they want to eat, because not everyone wants tortillas, not everyone wants chips. So for my stuffed bell peppers, I love to add in some extra vegetables. So I have some cherry tomatoes, I also have some zucchini, and I also have some white onion. Basically, I will just cut up whatever is left in my fridge in terms of whatever vegetable I have. You could also throw in some mango in here. That would be really good, and some stuffed peppers. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and do. So then I just added my ground turkey meat on top of the veggies. What I do is I set my oven for 350, and then I go ahead and just put my bell peppers in a glass Pyrex dish, and then I pop it into my oven for about 15 minutes just to heat the bell pepper up, because everything else is already cooked. So we just need to make the bell pepper a little bit more soft. Make it softer, and then we're going to top it with cheese and add some other things on top as well. So this is just an option one that you can do for your ground turkey. And then I have a bunch more ground turkey that's cooking right here that's going to be made into some tacos for people who want to opt for a bread option. So if you're someone who is not doing low carb, you want the real tortilla, then you can opt to have a side of tortilla. But my father-in-law and my husband, they prefer having no tortillas, as well as myself, so it's always good to have this option. But then my brother-in-laws, they're taco guys, so I can still make multiple different meals with the same staple meat. And I always stock up on the ground turkey when it goes on sale, and then I just hop it into my freezer so I know that I can pull it out when I needed to, and that's exactly what I did. Final product of the stuffed pepper, once you get it out of the oven, all you need to do is sprinkle some cheese on top, and then go ahead and add your sour cream and salsa, add some guacamole if you want, and this is a really nice, healthy, and low carb option you can offer someone at your Memorial Day party. Okay, so everyone has different diets that they're on, different lifestyles they're on. So something else you can do is have kind of like a low carb taco bowl area. So if you have someone on the keto lifestyle, the low carb lifestyle, and you want to have some sort of option for them at a family party so that they're not tempted, just get some cauliflower rice for them. It's not that expensive. If they're the only one, I wouldn't worry about it. So, for example, if Nicole was coming to my house for a family party, I would make sure that I would have what I know that she is able to eat, because I wouldn't want to put her in temptation at my house and have her fall off of her plan because she didn't have an option at my house. So I always want to accommodate anyone who's coming over. I have like a taco bowl option for someone who may be low carb. So I just have the cauliflower rice, some ground turkey, and then you could spread some of the veggie medley, depending on what type of veggies you want to have. You could do that. And then sprinkle on top some cheese, and you can make this a make it yourself bar if you wanted to. And then of course, you know, add some sort of salsa or some sort of sour cream, guacamole, all the fixings. And this would be the perfect meal option for someone who is low carb or someone who just doesn't like rice. Okay, so if you live on the wild side and you go tortillas, then you can, you know, just make tacos. And then if your guests, if they don't eat meat, then you can go ahead and just opt to do some veggie tacos. So I'm just using the same veggie medley that I used in my stuffed peppers. So I'm sprinkling some of those on top. Sprinkle some cheese. Woo-hoo. Cheese. Everything is better with cheese. Comment below if you agree. Cheese. Okay, then we got some salsa. Okay. Okay. Then we have some sour cream. Here we go. So another meal option you can have at your Memorial Day party. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Let me know in the comment section below, if you were going to my house, which dish would you opt for? The stuffed peppers, the bowl, or the tacos? So make sure you go and check out everyone's video in the playlist. If you are coming to my channel from theirs, I would love to have you a part of my YouTube family. And happy Memorial Day to everyone. Stay safe, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.